Solution 1. Check for physical damage. First, check if there's any visible physical damage to your phone. A cracked screen, internal damage, or a loose connection could cause your phone to display a black screen. If the screen is physically damaged, you may need to replace the display or visit a repair shop for further assessment. Solution 2. Check battery level and charging. A low or depleted battery could also result in a black screen, especially if the phone isn't getting enough power to display anything. Make sure to connect your phone to a charger and check if the screen comes back on. If the phone is charging but not displaying anything, try charging it for a while and then perform a restart. Solution 3. Adjust screen brightness. Sometimes the issue may simply be that your screen brightness is set to low. While this is unlikely, if you have recently used your phone normally, it's worth checking. Try adjusting the brightness using your voice assistant or through any available shortcut on your phone. Solution 4. Restart your phone. Step 1. Press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously for 10-20 seconds. Step 2. Wait for the phone to vibrate or restart. If it doesn't, try pressing the power button for a longer duration up to 30 seconds. Step 3. If your phone still doesn't restart, try pressing the power button and volume up together to force a restart. Solution 5. Boot into safe mode. Step 1. Power off your phone by pressing and holding the power button. Step 2. Once the power options appear, press and hold power off until a prompt to reboot into safe mode appears. Step 3. Tap OK to reboot into safe mode. Step 4. In safe mode, only system apps will run. Check if the screen returns to normal. If the screen works in safe mode, it's likely that a third-party app is causing the problem. Uninstall any recently installed apps that might be causing the issue. Solution 6. Android repair. If none of the previous solutions work, Android Repair is an excellent repair tool for fixing various Android phone issues, including the black screen problem. Step 1. After running this Android repair tool on your computer, click on the System Repair module on the initial interface and then connect your Android device to the PC using a USB cable. Next, select Android Repair from the 3 options provided. Step 2. Choose the brand, name, model, country or region, and carrier of your smartphone, and tick the box that says I agree with the warning. After that, click the Next button, enter 0000 in the pop-up window, and then press the Confirm button. Step 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your device into download mode. Then, click Next to download the firmware required for the repair. Once the firmware is downloaded and verified, the program will automatically repair your Android phone with system issues. Solution 7. Factory reset your phone. If all else fails, a factory reset can resolve deep-seated software issues. However, this will erase all data, so ensure you have a backup before proceeding. Step 1. Turn off your phone. Step 2. Press and hold the volume up button plus power button simultaneously until the phone vibrates or the logo appears. Step 3. Navigate using the volume buttons and select Wipe Data or Factory Reset. Step 4. Press the power button to confirm and wait for the reset to complete. Step 5. Once done, choose Reboot System Now. Solution 8. Contact After Sales Service. If all else fails, it may be time to contact your phone's after sales service or customer support. If your phone is under warranty, they may be able to repair or replace the device at no cost. Even if the warranty has expired, they might still offer a repair option or guide you through additional troubleshooting.